Can you see that on camera? What's happening? Easy. It's like a pony, no cap. It's like a pony. Wait a minute. It's Saturday. Picking up the raffle win. Let's see what it do. Jordan 5 UNCs. Next, I'm about to head to Town Center. They doing some shoes. First come, first serve, and possibly wristbands for the Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cements. Let's get there. I'm feeling all out of sorts today. I wasn't finna be doing all this, but I figure it's raining. Might as well make some money. Even though it's raining, I'm still out here. Dick's Sporting Goods ain't have much. They was being capped. But I had to get some stuff. I know Christopher just asked for some watermelon, so I picked them up some of that. I'm gonna head in. I'll be home in a little while. Had to get the fruit and the juice. Forgot I was even vlogging today, but I'm leaving Regency Mall, the dilapidated mall. Oh my gosh, just a 360. It's terrible in this bitch, bro. It's crazy. You can't even walk straight. It's holes in the ceiling. What is going on? What is going on here? Is this a hazard? Anyway, I'm going. I got the fam with me. They in the car waiting on me. It is what it is. It is what it is. Big bag. On me today, bulk deals are preferred. Once again, make sure you shop My Sole Purpose on Instagram. Hit me with your request. You looking for something? Maybe I'll start doing pre-orders. Inventory list is available upon request for security reasons. Prices are negotiable. I ain't trying to crack nobody muffin, but I do take a piece of the cake. Air Jordan 3, white cement, reimagined, giving that dusty old 5. Got red in the lid. Giving that dusty vibe still, all around the edges. Some hate it, some love it. Got a booklet in here as well. Give me some details about the kicks. How they're layered. In English, French, and Portuguese. So, I don't understand the beef with Spanish, but you know. Then we got our elephant paper. And here they are. Of course, they come with the hang tag, but they come with the little plastic, so you probably won't see many people rocking this with that pop-off plastic. It definitely don't look too bad. It look pretty clean actually. The elephant print is a little light. I'm gonna go ahead and light it up so we can get a better look at these. Alexa, turn the lights on.
Okay.
There we are. You see that cream color really pops on the midsole and that back tab. They got Nike Air on the back. Let's get into these a look one by one. Now this is a sneaker review from somebody who wears their kicks for real. So I don't care about all that fancy stuff. I just want to make sure the shoe look good. And from what I've seen, this is a pair actually from the Nike Shock Drop. And I've been seeing people say, oh, the QC is off, the QC is off. I think people just learned the word QC and just been going crazy. But yeah, there is definitely pairs out there that come with mold on. Oh, that light is crazy. Here we go. That toe box. People are complaining about the widow's peak. So what? If you don't like it, take a nail file to it. Got the Jumpman in red. He looked fine to me. Nike Air on the inside. How long would that remain? You got Nike on the bottom. Oh, that's upside down. You got Nike on the bottom. It's pretty standard. I mean, it's a white cement 3. I mean, I can't tell you what's so fancy about it other than they used a different color paint on the midsole and the back tab. It was a cool shoe. People were complaining about the elephant print not matching. Somebody who wears 3s would know that's pretty much the case usually. It's an elephant print. Why would it match? Now looking at my pair, is it the cleanest paint job? No. Do I expect that? No. Should I get that for the price I pay? Yeah. It's a good looking 3. It looks kind of big though. This is a 10.5, my personal size. Nike Air in there. I mean, if I had to be a stickler and tell you what was wrong with this shoe, the paint isn't that smooth. There's a glue stain. It's a little stain on the elephant print right there. It's a good looking 3. I see people copying these, of course. I'm trying to get a full size run. This is one of the shoes on my list. I make an informal list every year of 4 shoes. I'm tripping, I'm talking about 4 shoes that I'm gonna try to get every quarter. I mean, I threw this up probably because I was gonna say every shoe per quarter of what I allot myself, because I don't try to splurge, because again, I'm somebody who wears the shoes. I wear them until they need to go in the trash, like for real. Like my first pair of shoes was a pair of playoff 8s way back then. I wore those shoes almost every day for 2 years. And when I was done with them, the sole was completely gone. So I kind of keep that same mindset. Like, we just had a kickball game with the fam, and I was playing and lost the fouls. That's the type of person I am with it. So I wear the shoe, I hoop in my shoes, I play kickball in my shoes, I go to the grocery store in my shoes, I'll go in the rain in my shoes. I like shoes, so I wear them. If I wanted to keep them in the closet, I'd buy a painting or something. So that's that with the white cements. I mean, I've seen white cements before. It's nothing too different about it. I know what to expect with that. We're going to open this up on the low. On the low. If you don't know what this is, a lot of people may have never seen this little clear slip. That's what you get when you get a pair of iMovie ears. It's one of the newer releases. When you pop open that box, that's the old goat right there. Got a tag. And inside we got the iMovie paper. And we got that white pair. We got the white pair of iMovie Year 12. Now, these didn't really come in a pack, but there's definitely two versions of this. There's this version, and there's the black version. Now, this was the more sought after pair by public opinion, by what I've seen. Oh, that's a nice suede. Can you see that on here? Easy. It's like a pony, no cap. It's like a pony. Wait a minute. All right, I'm wilding. I'm like, hey, that's some good. We'll hold on to this one because it's not the one with the tag on it. Yeah, man, that suede is crazy. It's crazy. So, when I first took this shoe out of the box, I was looking at this. I was looking at it. I was like, dang, they got me. I don't know if you can tell, but if you go real close, I don't know if you can see it. It's like right here, here, here. There's some bleeding from the suede material onto the uppers. Nothing that's too crazy, but I definitely can see it. Before these dropped, they put out like a disclaimer that some of the pairs have bleeding. I'm definitely gonna reach out to iMovie because I got this from the website on drop day. And this pair definitely is. Nah, fam. Is that supposed to be coming off like that? Is that oh yeah, okay. It's like, let me see if I can pinch it and show you. It's like two pieces holding the Jumpman on, but it's not really there. Let's see. Y'all see that? But I was like, why is the leg? Can you see? Look, I can put my finger under it. Why am I whispering? I'm tripping. But yeah, I took it out of the box and that's the first thing I saw. It was bleeding, but I'm not gonna cap. The quality on these are nice. Like, some of the quality is nice. One thing I don't like about this is how they cheaped out on the mid guard or whatever you want to call this. I'm not one of those sneaker scientists. If you work at Foot Locker, they call them sneakerologists. Like, what is that? Like, you could see it's defined here. The reptile or whoever this is supposed to be, whatever kind of creature, it's defined, and then it just smooths out. And I don't think that was the intention, because you can see it. You can see it on the interior. The interior is there. What is that? Is it like that on both? This one just looked like it got hot. I don't know how y'all gonna have to cut me a coupon or something. I don't know, dog. I don't know. It's good suede for sure. Good leather for sure. Like back here, it's fire. But right here, it started looking real questionable. I mean, I guess they say you can upgrade some stuff, but you gotta downgrade some stuff. And that's really what they came with on these. I got these in today. From iMovie from Nike. Maybe it's the hype surrounding these. Or maybe I just got a bad pair. But I've been hearing so much trash about this pair. My pair is flawless. Virtually. And this one is flawed. Will I return it? No. It's not even my personal size, so. If you want another look at these, be sure to reach out in the comments. I can send personal videos if you like. I'm a people person, not at all, but that sound good to say. That's what I got for you today. Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Air Jordan 12, I'm on my ear.